In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in HubSpot. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up both one-time and recurring invoices directly from your HubSpot account. Let's start from the main invoices area in HubSpot. Once you're logged in, look for the commerce section in your navigation menu. Depending on your layout, this might be in the top menu or under a drop-down, but you're looking specifically for commerce, and then the invoices option. Go ahead and click into Invoices to open up your Invoices index page. This is essentially your home base for everything related to billing and invoices. From here, take a look at the top right-hand corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Create. Click that, and HubSpot will give you two main options: create a one-time invoice or create recurring invoices. A one-time invoice is perfect for single projects, one-off purchases, or anything that's billed just once. Recurring invoices, on the other hand, are ideal for subscriptions, retainers, or ongoing services where the customer is charged on a regular schedule. Choose the option that best matches how you plan to bill the customer. Once you've chosen the invoice type, you'll see a new invoice draft screen. One of the first things you'll want to set up is who you're billing. In the section labeled Bill To, search for and select the appropriate contact and company. Start typing the customer's name or the organization's name, and HubSpot will pull up matching records from your CRM. This is important because it links the invoice to the right contact and company, making your reporting and customer history much more accurate and easier to track. Next, you'll add what you're actually charging for. Click the Add Line Item button. Here, you can either select products or services that already exist in your product library, or you can create custom items on the spot. Using existing products keeps things consistent and speeds up future invoicing. Custom items are helpful if you're doing something unique or one-off that doesn't fit into your standard list. After your line items are added and your totals look correct, review the payment terms and due dates. Make sure the terms match what you've agreed with your customer, such as due upon receipt, net 15, net 30, or whatever your usual policy is. Double-check the due date so the customer clearly understands when payment is expected. Once everything looks good, simply click Create to generate the invoice. At this point, your invoice is ready to be sent and tracked within HubSpot, keeping your sales and billing process all in one place.